Always make a copy of the background layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. So works on color photos, and have a look at this at the very first try. Just as awesome. And by the way, you Hi there, this is Unmesh from Piximperfect. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and today I'm going to share with you a unique way to limit that only thanks to Samantha from Pixelsful. And by the way, you can just define different colors to different areas. For example, if you want the sky to be a different shade of blue, you can just click on in there and choose a different shade of blue according to